Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert an URL into your app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through it. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the app editor in the Retool application. What you want to do is navigate to your page. You're on the left hand side by clicking into that Pages button. Select your page. Next, click into the Add User Interface or Add Component button here. And here scroll down till you get to the text inputs. And what you want to do is select URL. Left click, drag and drop it onto your page here, release your left mouse and you will see the example URL here. So next, enter the URL here, or what you want to do is use, for example, the properties here to the right. You may assign a node, you may assign a default value, a placeholder, then you may also add the prefix or customize the prefix text here, for instance, and you may also customize the interaction for loading. For example, add an event handler, the format, a data key, customize the appearance, for example, show the clear button, and so on and so forth. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.